My family bought a real Labubu. A real Hallmark Labubu. So,
Because it's your birthday.
yeah, so I hope I'll choose black, brown, hope, and secret. Even though all of them is still okay. Oh, there.
Are you excited? Wow!
I can't
I
look.
told you! Look, it's purple.
What's this?
Wala yan, do natin. I told you, because it's your birthday, you're gonna get this. Right?
Yeah, right.
No. I'll help you. Mama will help. Open. Yay! I told you it's your birthday, because it's your birth month, you're gonna get the purple one.
Oh my gosh, it's real.
Show them. Yay! The original.
Yeah.
You can legit check. Bye mo na.